Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having fun, you all are doing great in your lives. So today's video is going to be very special. It is due to I am doing this video because we are a family of 8k members now, and I really hope that this number keeps on increasing, and so many of you are new to my channel, so I welcome each and everyone. If you don't know me, I am Atri. I make videos related to makeup, skincare, hauls, reviews, etc. So if this is a genre which excites you, which interests you, make sure to subscribe. Now without any further ado, let's get into the video. Now this particular video is for new creators, or if you are a creator like me, if you have started new, or you are an old creator just like myself, and you really want to know how you can get PR from brands. Also, I get so many questions, so many DMs on my Instagram related to my PR, how I collaborate, how I manage to get so many collaborations. So in this video, I am going to answer you all of that. So yeah, but if you are watching, make sure to subscribe and like so that I can make such content for you people. Now, without blabbering any further, let's dive into the video finally. So I get, again, like I said, I get so many DMs related to my PR. Recently, I have received a lot of PR. I have done a lot of collaboration. Now there are two types of collaboration, or I will say there are three types of collaboration. I will get onto that really quickly. First collaboration is a paid collaboration where the brand gives you some money for making a review video or whatever, just doing a normal application. So that is the first category. Second category is barter collaboration, which many of us do, and most of the content creator do barter collaboration who have not reached a certain threshold like myself. So that is barter. So in barter collaboration, what happens that the brand sends you product for free and you have to do review for them. Now third type of collaboration, now I do not know the name for this collaboration, but what happens is that the brand offers you their product at 50%, or you have to buy one product and they will send you two or three more products so that you can do a free review. So ये सारे होते हैं. And one more category is PR. So PR और barter में what is the difference? इन PR हमें सिर्फ प्रोडक्ट्स मिलते हैं. वी आर नॉट लायबल टू मेक वीडियोज फॉर द कंपनी. वाइल बार्टर में क्या है दैट यू गेट प्रोडक्ट्स एंड यू हैव टू मेक वीडियोज. ठीक है, एंड दे विल रिव्यू. नाउ दैट आर द कंडीशंस विच द ब्रांड आस्क्स फॉर. किसी की कंडीशंस कुछ होती हैं, किसी की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कुछ होती है. Okay, so these are the categories of collaboration. Now, if I talk about myself, I started my channel 3 years back, and उस time पे मेरा channel was purely in Hindi, I think. But after some time, I thought that my voice might not reach to people who don't understand English. So I started don't understand Hindi, so I started making videos in English. Sometimes I do bilingual as well, depending. Okay, so so what happened that my reach, whatever subscribers I was gaining, stopped eventually. You will see that it's been more than 3 years and I am still stuck at 8k. Okay, it is very difficult to grow on YouTube, and a person like me who has been always constant, no matter what. Yes, in the year 2019, I was not so consistent, but still, I will call myself consistent because I was constantly putting out content, especially on YouTube. I have started putting out content on Instagram from 2020, but on YouTube, I was always putting out content, so I can't call myself inconsistent. But still, I am at a point where I don't get paid collaborations a lot, but still I have done. So now I will tell you how to do a paid collaborations and the apps which I know. So yeah, that's what I'm going to share. So apps like Plixo. So I am going to leave a link. So apps like Plixo, and many apps like Influglue, something like this. But I can tell you about my experience. So apps like in Plixo, so I have done a campaign for them. I'm going to share a picture of the same. So I have done a campaign for them where I have done a reel for them, and yeah, that's what I have done. And they have given me some money. Till date I haven't received because of their policy, that is 90 days payment policy. I'm going to receive the payment after 90 days. So that is one thing which I have done. So what you can do, you can go and sign up to Plixo for that matter. And there are many apps such as Bulbul app, and such as SimSim app, such as LOLO app. So many apps where you can make content for them and they pay you. So these are some paid collaborations which I have personally done. Sometimes brands also reach out to you. You can ask for, like, ask from them for 200, 300 rupees or 500, let's suppose. Okay, so you can ask, you can quote such price, because these are not very very high prices, so brands generally agree to these prices. Now telling you, I have not done a lot of paid campaigns or paid collaborations. मैंने 3 या 4 ही paid collaboration की है 3 साल के पूरे करियर में. और या नाउ कमिंग टू द बार्टर और कोलैबोरेशंस जो कि मुझे रिसीव होती हैं कंपनी की तरफ से. नाउ आई वोंट लाई टू यू, अर्लियर व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड माय चैनल आई रिसीव्ड many collaborations from brands like Roop Mantra, La Organo, and many more. L'Oreal ka bhi I have done. I also did Mother's Co, and there are many brands which with whom I have worked. So बीच में 2020 में I decided that I won't do unpaid collaborations. मुझे barter नहीं करना था, because I have seen there are so many people जो बहुत सारा process मांगते हैं. You have to click a picture like this, you have to do like that, etc etc. That's a lot of hassle for me. तो मैंने सोचा था I won't do unpaid collaborations, basically barter collaboration. But 2020 was a time when this decision of mine, I am proud of it, but then I thought that I should give chance to a few companies who don't ask a lot from you. You understanding? जो सिर्फ एक YouTube वीडियो मांगते हैं and you have to make a video on that, और वो आपको पोस्ट करना होता है, या फिर कोई भी एक पिक्चर. ठीक है, सो आई डिसाइडेड दैट आई विल डू अ फ्यू कोलैबोरेशंस. तो दूसरा जो ऐप मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ वो है ओपा रिव्यूज. सो आई हैव गॉट 3 to 4 कैंपेन्स फ्रॉम देम, ओपा रिव्यूज. सो उनमें से सबसे पहले प्लम का कैंपेन आई हैव डन विद ओपा रिव्यूज. आई हैव ऑल्सो डन एक कामा आयुर्वेदा के साथ. सो मेनी पीपल वर आस्किंग मी हाउ डिड यू गेट दिस कोलैबोरेशन. सो आई गॉट दिस through Opa reviews. I got the Kama Ayurveda one. I also have done Upa Karma one. तो उसमें क्या होता है, you have to make one dedicated YouTube video. That's it guys, and they don't even ask for the आपको अप्रूवल भी नहीं लेना होता. You can just show the product, apply it and upload the video on YouTube. तो ये hassle free है ना काफ़ी, where you don't have to take approvals. So ये हुआ. And there are many more brands like Mother Sparsh, and एक दो brands और भी हैं with whom I have worked. And Mother Sparsh वालों का भी ये था that I got their products. This wasn't a payment system वाला, तो फिर yeah, so I accepted because they were just asking a story, only a post, so hassle free, right? Very very hassle free. So these are the barter collabs which I have done. Now coming to the third one, which is where you get PR, जब आपको brands PR भेजते हैं. So इसकी strategy मैं आपको बताऊंगी. That's a very very common strategy. Many people are doing this. Now if you are someone who is posting content regularly on YouTube and you are ignoring your Instagram account, girls and guys, you must wake up now, because 2020 was all about Instagram. Like even now 2021 अगर आपने नहीं start किया है, you must start your Insta account, because Instagram is the place from where you get so many collabs. I personally have got so many collabs due to my Instagram account. Yes, on Instagram you have to be consistent or you can lose your audience just like this. You can make reels guys. There are so many options on Instagram. Like I'll tell you what, if you have one product, what you can do, you can click picture of this product, apply this product, and it won't take a lot of time, but it will make you consistent on Instagram. Yeah, and that's how the brands will approach you. They will see your content, and if they like, they will approach you. Now I'm going to tell you one incident what happened, that I was trying so many Indian products and I was making videos constantly and I was tagging them. From that tag से, उस tag से क्या होता है, like I tag them onto my stories, तो वो stories वो share करते हैं. Share करने के बाद what happens is that जो audience उनको follow करती है, they will see, they will come to my page, they will see my story, they will also see my content. And उनमें से बहुत से ऐसे ब्रांड्स भी होते हैं जो नए ब्रांड्स होते हैं, देन दे रियली वांट टू वर्क विद यू. तो ऐसे भी मेरे पास बहुत सारे आए हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव डन वन लिप ग्लॉस का रिव्यू, टाइसी वाला था आई थिंक. उसको देखकर आई हैव रिसीव्ड one collab with one of the companies, so I have given them my address. They will send me products very soon, so तब मैं आपको शेयर करूँगी इस कंपनी का नेम. राइट नाउ आई एम नॉट शेयरिंग इट. सो इस तरीके से. एंड आई ऑल्सो मेड अ वीडियो ऑन सुगंधा स्किन केयर, एंड उसको देखकर आई हैव रिसीव्ड सुगंधा का hyaluronic acid serum as a PR, because Sugandha is a brand who sent me this and I was on cloud 9 because I really like their products. So this is a PR. I don't have to make any video out of it. This is just a PR, normal PR. They have just sent me to try it out. Okay. So इस तरीके से आप जो है गेन, यू कैन गेन सो मेनी कोलैबोरेशंस. एंड एक और टिप मैं आपको देती हूँ, देर आर मेनी ब्रांड्स हु विल बी टेक्सटिंग यू लाइक we have launched this product, we would really like to try you to try and please buy our products. तो जब ऐसे मैसेजेस आते हैं, मुझे आजकल ऐसे मैसेजेस बहुत आते हैं, सो इन टर्न आई जस्ट राइट टू देम दैट I will be trying out your products, you can send me as a PR. So what they do, they tell you that okay, we will be sending you, but then you have to buy one product from us or we can offer the products at 50%. So again, this is a great deal, I feel, especially if you are starting out when you don't want to spend a lot of money. So that's how you can get few collaborations. Okay, so I think that is about it. And you know what, I become very disappointed sometimes because I haven't grown that much on YouTube, because I have been working hard. Like if I'll tell you my routine, I work hard a lot. I mean, I don't take 1 minute ka rest, and I am a full-time teacher as well, so I just have to struggle between my sleep and all the work. But I really love and enjoying doing this. So yeah, that is how I keep myself motivated. And I'll tell you, do not fall prey to people जो आपको बार बार बोलेंगे that you buy our products and review our products. तो इस तरीके के आप means if you don't have any profit out of that, कि आपको कम प्राइस पे मिल रहा हो या कुछ भी, so why will you buy those products, right? So don't do like that. And if you are a new blogger, or if you are a new YouTuber, just started out, thank you so much for coming here. I really appreciate your time, and I hope this video was helpful to everyone. And if I have left something, I am going to write it down in the description box. And I will tell you that make posts out of your products which you already have, and make story. You can make as many a story you like, apply the product, tag the brand, make 2 to 3 to 4 stories and tag the brand, and I'm sure the brand will reach out to you. That is about it. Like, you need to tell them that you are a blogger and they are looking for bloggers like us who will promote genuine reviews. I think that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed. This was helpful for you all. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. And if you want to see this glowy look, head over to my Instagram. You can see that there. Now I will be taking your leave. Take care, guys, and I love you guys.